Hi guys, good afternoon. This morning has been incredibly stressful. I have a sweet girl. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Yeah, I have a sweet girl who is kind of sleepy from last night, I think, and super duper duper clingy. I have had to hold her most of the day. Also been a stressful morning with some other things going on, but they all got figured out. So with all of that done, whoop whoop, let's get our house clean. Last night went awesome. We sold a ton of snow cones. I was hurting so bad by the time we got home. My husband rubbed my feet. He is the absolute best, I'm telling y'all. I have the best husband in the world. So that was nice. My alarm went off at 4 to get up with him this morning, and it did not happen. We got home super late, probably got about 4 hours of sleep if I had gotten up at 4, and my body just said no. And so I listened, and I did not get up. And I had freezer burritos, breakfast burritos for him that I made the other day. So he did have breakfast this morning. I'm not sure what he took for lunch, so he may be starving to death when he gets home, which won't be long from now. So we've got some cleaning to do. So we're gonna do another clean with me today. We don't have a whole lot to clean since we cleaned a lot yesterday, but it just amazes me how quickly this house can turn into a disaster. What, sweetheart?
Okay.
Huh?
No.
No? There's no dishes in the sink. Would y'all believe that? Would you look at this? This is what happens when you don't cook supper. I have 2 spoons. Whoop whoop. 2 spoons. So I've got to unload the dishwasher and reload my whole 2 spoons. I can handle that for sure. Tonight we are making stuffed shells, and they are amazing. My entire family loves them. That will be a separate video. I'm not going to include it on this one, but I highly recommend you checking it out. Tonight or tomorrow, we'll see when I get that one done.
Mom.
What? 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 Hey. So we will be making that tonight for supper. I'm super excited. I feel really good. I think that sleep was what I needed for sure. Medicine's still going good. CBD. Whoop whoop. Maybe we really do have this whole thing figured out, because I feel really, really good today. I did not feel good at 4 a.m. I felt like I was a tin man, and everything felt like swollen and like it wasn't gonna move. I'm so glad that I listened, because I feel like I would not be doing good right now. So with all of that said, let's get started. All right, let's get started.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Woohoo.
Papa.
So I left my Instant Pot out until I get everything done, because I don't see any point in putting it up and then having to wait. I keep all my stuff inside my Instant Pot, all the little pieces that came with it, so it's easy to find and get to. So we'll start there. Alright, everything goes back in.
Yeah.
Yep. And we will put that up where it goes in a minute.
And
Y'all will be happy to know that I ordered a microphone, and I am working on new editing stuff. I love your comments so much. You have no idea. I got super excited last night. We were at the fireworks thing, and like I'd been super duper busy, and I hadn't been checking my phone, and I checked it, and I had a comment, and I was like freaking out. It was fantastic. So yes, thank you for commenting, and keep those comments coming, because they are super duper motivating. Also appreciate your constructive criticism. Is that loud? Sorry. Okay, so I don't like to put my plastic stuff up whenever it's wet, because I feel like it just gets yucky. So I put a towel over here. I should get a dish strainer, I guess, but I don't like dish strainers because then they always have to stay out unless you have a place to put them, and I don't. So I put all my plastic stuff on a towel, and as warm as it is here, It's not going to take them long to dry, and then I can finish my dishes. But at least it's empty and I can get it reloaded. Which, like I said, right now is only 2 spoons, y'all. Whoop whoop. You have no idea how exciting that is. But I promise we will have more dishes to come.
I go.
Aren't these bowls so pretty? I got these in my FabFitFun box. Again, this is totally not an ad for those. I did watch a lot of unboxing videos before I decided to do it. But I love them so much. And if you haven't checked out FabFitFun, you should, because I got a lot of super cool stuff. And I had no idea that you got to pick some of this stuff, which is super cool. Because, I mean, I don't know, most of this stuff that you don't get to pick is like beauty products and stuff. And then they give you an option of places that you can choose stuff. And so these bowls are one of the things that I picked, but I don't even remember what the options were now, but there were like 3 or 4 things that I got to pick between like 3 or 4 things what I wanted. And I thought that was super cool. So I got a really pretty beach towel. It's one of those circle ones, and I've wanted one for forever, and so that was one of the things I picked. I picked these bowls. I don't remember what else. I think there was one more thing I got to, maybe 2 more things I got to pick. But so far, I'm really loving everything in my box. So go check that out. Every now and then, I think it's fun for women to do things for themselves. We do stuff for other people all the time. I'm constantly cooking and cleaning and taking care of kids and my husband, and I mean the list goes on and on and on, right? So if every now and then I can do something for me, I mean, who doesn't like to get good meal, right? You get this whole box of all this fun stuff, and it's $200 worth of stuff, and it's like 50 bucks. I had a $10 off code, so I mean, and I got some kind of a extra summer special deal, so I got a few more products, which is probably what convinced me to do it, because if you mention free, I'm like, yes, free. So 4 times a year I'm gonna get a seasonal box, and I'm really, really, really excited about it. I mean, for 50 bucks, like, you can't really beat that. Okay, so we're almost done. Let's unload the dishwasher. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. Yay.
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 Whoop.
Whoop whoop.
Yay.
You're so cute. So I promise I'm going to work on my angles of all of this so you can see everything I'm doing. I don't really have the best setup right now of where to put y'all so you can see absolutely everything I'm doing and still hear me. I think that'll be a lot easier whenever I do get my microphone in. I'm getting it from Amazon. Something's going to be here on Tuesday and something's going to be here on Wednesday because I had to order new batteries too. So hopefully soon we will be in business. Alright, all that's left are utensils.
Mom,
What, baby?
no apple.
That's a lime. Alright, y'all, watch this. 2 spoons. Oh, my dishwasher's loaded. My sink is clean. Y'all, this is fantastic. Alright, so all we have left to do. Can you scoot over, sis? Scoot, scoot. That'll work too. So all we have left to do is our silverware. Works. Here we go. Is that loud?
Yeah.
Is that loud?
Yeah.
Fork, fork, knife, whoop, spoon. And we're done. Just like that, easy peasy. And we will wait like, I don't know, an hour. And all of those dishes will be ready to put away. And honestly, if the dishes are clean, I don't really mind that they're left on the counter. Does not bother me at all. It's much better than a sink full of dirty dishes. I'm checking on my kids. I don't know if y'all can see anything out there. But my oldest 2 are in the pool out there. I see the water splashing around. I cannot see them, but there's a tree right there that really tends. Oh, there's a kid. Can y'all see? I see feet and a head, so we're good. I just peek out every now and then. It kind of makes me nervous them being out there, but they are together. I know that doesn't matter, but I'm right here. I don't like go back and hang out in my bedroom for long periods of time, so I think they're safe. Alright, so our counters don't need to be wiped off because they were wiped yesterday. So we have clean sink, clean counters with a cute little girl. Are you cute? Hey, are you being shy? Are you being stinkerhead? Yeah. Okay. Clean, 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 clean. Yay! So, now we're off to our dining room. So this isn't going to be bad. All I've got to do is clean off the table. One of my friends was selling cotton candy last night, and we got to the end of the night, and she was like, come get this cotton candy. So I'm pretty sure each kid ate a cotton candy. And we still have 4 bags, and it's kind of starting to shrink on us here, so we need to get that done. Here's our glow sticks from last night that we got, so those are done. They need to go in the trash. Yes, I have a lime in the floor from a cute little girl. Alright, so it's amazing how messy my children can be, right? Because see here, these are the boys' tablets, so they need to find a home. I'm going to put these here for them to deal with. I guess I'll stick all this cotton candy in my pantry because, I mean, where do you put cotton candy? We just need to make sure we eat it quickly because, look, see, it's already getting, it was really hot and humid here yesterday. We had lots of thunderstorms. What? What do you want? A what? You want a peanut butter sandwich?
Yeah.
And this is why we never get anything done. We pause this cleaning video to make a peanut butter sandwich for a little princess. I will be back. Okay, peanut butter sandwich made. 1 cup of apple juice found. If you have toddlers, you know how that goes. 2 little boys out of the pool and back in, and 2 telephone calls later, we're back. This is why nothing gets accomplished, I'm telling you. So while I was on the phone, I started cleaning just a little bit. I did put my Instant Pot up, so our dining room is looking better. So I have my coffee cup. I did finally finish that. Look how cute this is. I got this at Walmart around Valentine's Day. It says I love you more than coffee, but not always before coffee. I love it. So we're gonna go ahead, hang on, and get that loaded in our dishwasher. So, hang on, I can't get the lid off. Alright, load it in the dishwasher so that is done. Hello. One wet boy out of the pool. Alright, so we have our coffee station is cleaned off. Mom's stash, woohoo. Mom's stash goes in this lovely drawer right here. We have Sour Punch Bites, and now we have these Sweet Tart Rope Bites. These are new. They were really good. Highly recommend. And 1 thing of kettle corn from last night. Again, I guess kettle corn goes in the pantry, right? Snacks. So all that's left is this is Video Mess sunglasses. Go in my purse, which brings us to the desk area, which as far as I'm concerned is done. This is where I keep all my stuff. We're going to have to clean that out one of these days because it just keeps accumulating. This is where I keep my Instant Pot and my air fryer. I guess it's kind of weird to keep those things in a coat closet, but I really didn't have a better place to put them. They were in the bottom of my pantry, but they were taking up a lot of space, and I like to keep my potatoes and all that stuff down there. So I moved them into the coat closet because it was a shelf and it was not really serving much of a purpose, so why not? So, shoes go into the bedroom. The bedroom is not horrible because, I mean, we weren't really home for super duper long after I got all my cleaning stuff done yesterday. So, we will get this done really, really, really quick. I don't know why I'm having issues here, but let's try again. that's it. I got a couple of things I need to throw in Miss Pris's room, but our bedroom is clean. Okay, time for the bathroom. The bathroom looks clean to me. All that's clean. Look, I did his laundry. I've got a little potty training mess here, but other than that, I would call that a clean bathroom. So, throw those in the dirty clothes. And all we have left is the living room. I would say all of this mess is those little stinker heads over there. So I'm gonna get them to quickly get their stuff out of here, and then we'll see what we have left to do. All right, y'all get busy. Okay, so they have been busy. That's fine for now. Dog toys, because I mean 3 dogs, right? Husband's shoes, my shoes, but that's fine. Well, our pillows are back where they go. A very sad little girl for some reason. More dog stuff. You want this? You want it? You want it? 2 out of 3. I don't know where the other one is. Here, you want it? Nobody wants it? Alright, then it's going in your room. Alright, so let's grab our ottoman and put it back where it goes. Alright, one toy from Miss Pris. I'm going to put it on her table. And I would call that a clean living room, y'all. Look what we accomplished in, like, this really didn't take that long at all to get everything put back where it needed to be. I feel like cleaning is kind of like Groundhog's Day though, because we just did all of this yesterday. But since we did it yesterday, it wasn't that bad today. So I guess we just got to keep trucking along and keeping it done. So thank you so much for joining me today and cleaning with me. I hope I motivated you as much as you motivate me to keep going. Subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to hear. Come back later for my stuffed shells recipe. It is so good. I told you earlier, I have the pickiest kids in the world. Trying to find a recipe that everybody in my family will eat is, I thought it was impossible, but we're getting there. I made some delicious macaroni and cheese the other night, homemade in the Instant Pot. Not necessarily an Instant Pot recipe though, so I will be making that at some point again because it was delicious. So anyway, other than that, today, gotta get these kiddos packed for church camp, see what else I need to get for them, and should probably take a shower. I think I'm gonna go jump in the pool here pretty soon. Anyway, I hope you'll have a fantastic Friday. Yay, it's Friday. And I will see you in a little while with a yummy, yummy recipe. So, thank you so much, guys. Before I go, I have to show you the cutest thing ever. Are y'all ready? Is that not precious? All 3 kiddos completely content on my couch watching something. This never happens. I'm really excited, so I had to have video proof, and so I wanted to share it with you guys. Okay, I'm done now. Y'all have a great weekend.